it will be the Terra Firma Chief.
Willing nga. Gusto lang, Phoenix.
Yeah.
Just your thoughts about it, getting picked the personal.
Sobrang happy ako na na-pick nila ako, and the trust na binigay nila sa akin is
Sean O'Malley goes to the Terra Firma Chief as the 18th overall pick of the PBA Season 50 Rookie Draft.
Hindi ko makakatulong ako with Coach
Charles Chu ay nakangiti.
Sabi niya naman sa akin paano niya ako sobrang sumayin ako lang siya, and then kung ano yung papagawa na sa akin, hindi ko gawin para matulungan sa siya.
He's also built.
Well, may mga pabiter na bang mga former teammates sa Phoenix or
like it's young, he like andyan sila talaga sinusubukan ng dagdagan
Khalid, sila Richie, mga ganun.
He's also been compared to
Hindi, naging kapi ko si Richie.
Napakagandang comparison yun. Tingnan mo naman yung itsurang yan, talagang makikipagpagpaan sa loob yan. So yun din ang gusto ng Terra Firma ngayon, ng player who plays with a lot of physicality. Not definitely or not going to be tough in terms of one-on-one coverage because he's just 6'4", but he can definitely move whoever is trying to post him up. Yung ilayo lang doon sa ring, that is his primary function.
So ayan na nga po, that is going to be the next prospect para dito sa Terra Firma. We got Sean O'Malley at kasama siya ni David.
Yes, Sean, meron ka pang isang taon na lalaro sa NCAA, but how big of a